Today you're going to learn how to make something like this. You're going to make your name in bubble letters using the pen tool in Tinkercad. First step, go to Canvas, click on Modules, and then Name with Pen. It'll lead you to this slideshow. On slide 2, click on the correct, on your period link. Click the link, then the little link. Join with nickname. Your first name, all lowercase. Create 3D design. And let's begin. Let's click on this to go to orthographic mode. That is more mathematical. The pen tool right there. This is the new pen tool. Click that and then click on the canvas.
Zoriana Creed Core to the front office. Zoriana Creed Core to the front office.
This is the line tool. So I'm going to do the first letter of my first name. So that was just a bunch of straight lines. When you're done, you can move the nodes around to put them into place where you want them. You can make any line round by clicking on it and then selecting the change to smooth button. Now it's round. You can click on the nodes and then drag these orange ones around to customize it. You can select multiple nodes or lines to make them all round together. And if you made a mistake, you can click on the plus button and you can add nodes, and then the selection tool again, and you can like move things around. You can change these back to straight jaggedy lines by clicking that, and then it goes back to straight. You can move the lines around too. You can make the nodes into double handles. So now, by the way, by using a mouse, if I click and hold on the scroll wheel, I can pan. I can move this into place. You can like divide it into 2 round segments. And the scroll wheel zooms in and out. You'll notice how the nodes snap to the grid. So every little intersection of the grid, it snaps to it. You can always turn that off by clicking on this button here and then off, and now it doesn't snap to the grid. When you're done with your letter, oh, by the way, if it's a B or an R with like a hole in it, you can't do holes yet, so it has to be just one shape. And then finish sketch. So that's your first letter. Next letter, pen, click, and begin. So with this tool, you can click and hold instead of clicking and letting go. So you can click and hold, click and drag. And then while you're doing this, if you want to go back to the straight one, click that, and you can go to straight. I don't know why you want to do that, but well, that's actually helpful in a lot of situations. You can always move it down, and that's another way to do it. So as you're using the rounded Bezier tool, you can go and click on the straight one, and it'll be straight again. That's the O, finish sketch, pen tool. So you just every letter for your name is a different pen tool, and so it's pretty cool just to kind of go crazy, and then later you can just kind of touch it up. You can make these as clean or as you want, as crazy as you want. And that's pretty much it. You can zoom in and out, the plus and minus. This will show everything at once. And the home will just show the part that you're working on. You can undo. With the undo tool, it'll go back in time. If you want to delete things, you can click on things and press backspace. You can also undo it. You can highlight multiple things and delete it, or the whole thing and delete it by pressing backspace, or just click the trash can instead of pressing the backspace button. Let's see here. That's about it. You can move lines, you can move nodes, and yeah. You can change the snap settings to be more specific, like 0.5. Instead of like every little intersection, it'll be in between every intersection. So this will change the see how it kind of snaps in the middle instead of in the intersection. So that makes the snapping more precise or off. When you're done, finish. And when you're done with your name, move the parts into place. To hand it in, click on the Tinkercad logo. Find your name. If you don't see it, click on Designs. You'll maybe see it there. Here, add to class activity. You write the period and name with pen. Add design. And that's it.